ठीक है. Let us continue with paper of 2023 and now I will take question number 4. The first part says find out the value of P for which the set of vectors are linearly independent. You are given 3 vectors. You need to find that value of P such that they become linearly independent of each other. Secondly, it says for each value of P, find out a vector Z that is orthogonal to each of the above vector U, V and W. That is orthogonal to each of the above vector U, V and W. ठीक है. तो बेटा for linearly independent, we know that when we will go ahead and when we will find the determinant of the matrix, the determinant should be equal to 0. So your matrix that you have, it is 3, -1, 3, 2, 1, 0 and 2, 0, P. Right, beta? I have taken 3, -1, 3, 2, 1, 0 and 2, 0, P. Now I will try to find the determinant of matrix. So determinant will be 3, 1 into P minus 0, minus 2, minus P minus 0, plus 2, 0 minus 3. So I will get here 3 into P minus 2 into minus P plus 2 into 3. So this will be 3P plus 2P plus 6. And for linearly independent, I want that this should be equal to 0. So 5P this is not minus 3. This is 0 minus 3. There is a negative sign here, beta. So 5P is equal to 6 and P will be 6 by 5. So if P is 6 by 5, then U, V and W will be linearly independent of each other. Okay, now let's go to the next question. It says for what value of P find, for each value of P, I've got value of P as 6 by 5. Find a vector Z that is orthogonal to each of the above 3 vectors U, V and W. So let's say that there is a vector Z. And let this vector Z be beta Z1, Z2 and Z3. Right? So if I want that Z should be orthogonal to U, so U dot Z should be 0. Right? So what was my vector U beta? My vector U was 3, -1 and 3. So 3, -1 and 3, its dot product with Z should be 0 beta. So I will get 3Z minus, so Z is Z1, Z2, Z3. Huh? So 3Z1 minus Z2 plus 3Z3 equal to 0. अगर इसको थोड़ा रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो ऐसे कर सकते हो 3, -1, 3. इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं हम Z1, Z2, Z3 के साथ. And that has to be equal to 0. Similarly, if it has to be orthogonal to this vector V, तो 2, 1, 0 आ रहा है. तो 2Z1 plus Z2 plus 0Z3 should be 0. The dot product of V and Z should be 0, U and Z should be 0, and W and Z should be 0. So, what is W beta? W का वैल्यू यहां से आया है. W is 20P. So 20P Z1, Z2, Z3 equal to 0. ठीक है. अच्छा. Now it goes ahead and says for each value of P, find out a vector Z that is orthogonal to each of the above vectors. So what I can do now, I can just go ahead and I can say that P can either be 6 by 5. Agar P 6 by 5 hoga, then the 3 equations will be independent of each other. Or P will not be equal to 6 by 5, then they will not be independent of each other. तो बेटा अगर तो P 6 by 5 नहीं है, if P is not 6 by 5, then the only thing that will solve these 3 equations will be Z1 equal to Z2 equal to Z3 equal to 0. And let's say that I tell you that P is 6 by 5. That means that these equations are linearly independent of each other. ये एक दूसरे के linearly independent हैं. They are linearly independent of each other. तो अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं ना कि instead of P, I can just put 6 by 5 here. Right? And I can just try to solve 3 equations simultaneously, right? I can try to go ahead and I can try to solve the 3 equations simultaneously. So to solve these 3 equations simultaneously, I can begin by assuming that let Z3 be some k. If Z3 is k, तो बेटा from second equation मुझे मिलेगा 2Z1 plus Z2 equal to 0. थर्ड इक्वेशन बन जाएगी 2Z1 plus 6 by 5 Z3 की जगह पे आई विल पुट k इक्वल टू 0 और फर्स्ट इक्वेशन की जगह मिल जाएगा 3Z1 minus Z2 plus 3k equal to 0 plus 3k equal to 0. अच्छा, फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन Z1 का वैल्यू विल कम आउट एज minus 6 by 5k divided by 2, तो minus 3 by 5k. एंड अगर मैं इसको इस इक्वेशन में प्लग इन करती हूं, सो आई विल गेट 3 Z1 की जगह पे आई विल गेट minus 3 by 5k minus Z2 plus 3k equal to 0. I will go ahead and I will get Z2 as minus 9 by 5k plus 3k. So 15 minus 9, that means 6k by 5. That means 6k by 5. तो हमारा जो वेक्टर हो जाएगा, the vector z that I will be getting, that vector z will go ahead and become बेटा minus 3k by 5, 6k by 5 and k for all k belonging to R. For all k belonging to R. समझ गए? If you want, you can solve for one particular equation also. मतलब आप z1, z2 को you can put z1 यहाँ पे इसको ये डाल दो और z2 डाल दो, right, in the third equation. So you will go ahead and get k as 0, but that will not make a lot of sense. Are you understanding what I am saying? So we have gone ahead and we have given a generic equation that if p is equal to 6 by 5, then my z vector will go ahead and look something like this. And this will be the answer to this question. Okay, beta? Okay, thank you.